Hello everyone, I'm Joby. If I could be anything, I will be a K-pop demon hunter named Rumi. I will sing and dance on stage and make people feel happy. When bad demon comes, I will use my weapon, microphone, to stop them. My song will help people feel happy and brave. I want to be Rumi because she is pretty, kind, and help everyone. I think that will be super cool.